Can you do the intro on this one right there? I'm gonna get you some light.
Hi, my name is Kim. Okay, so today we want to do some light painting with an Android. We know some people have been doing it for a while. We've seen some people in the Tube tribe using it, and we were doing a workshop a few weeks back in a high school, and we told them that even if they didn't have a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, they could still use the technique and use their own cell phone.
Okay, so this is my setup. That's my cell phone, and that's my tripod. Kind of. So I'm trying to hit the button with my finger here. It's working. So my settings are currently 10 seconds on manual mode on the cell phone. That's one of our first, probably our first tube light painting picture using a cell phone. We wanted to experiment with that because we have a class of students. We have 2 classes today, and this morning I was surprised to know that none of them had a DSLR. I thought that younger people had that, but not. I was so wrong about that.
It was basically the first time where we are in a group where almost nobody had access to a DSLR or knew what it was. So we were like, okay, you can do it with your cell phone, but now we wanted to have like an example to show. So we have like half an hour break between our 2 groups, and yeah, we want to try it. In between, like during our break, we put the cell phone on a table, holding it by like with my water bottle, and we just tried, and that's how it turned out. First trial, it's a bit trickier, you know, you have to so it's a bit trickier. We're gonna explain how we did it. There's probably other ways to do it depending on which phone you have and what kind of settings you can put your phone at. Yeah, do you want to add something?
To make this work, you need to be able to go on full manual settings on your smartphone. What I do on mine is that I go at 8 seconds, ISO very low, probably 100, we'll see. Manual white balance, I'm currently at 42,000 Kelvin.
Manual focus.
Manual focus, of course you need manual focus, otherwise the focus is going to hunt in the dark, so you need to go on manual focus. And to make things a bit easier, I'm using a flashlight that is easy to turn on and off. So I have this fancy button here, so I'm going to trigger by screaming shoot! And then it's going to start the exposure, but it will be in pitch black, so it doesn't matter if it starts to take the picture. But as soon as I turn on my light, then it's going to capture something. So I'm gonna go behind you with the light turned off, and then I'm going to start to light paint. Yeah,
so basically like exposure time of roughly 8 seconds, but light painting of between 1 and 2 maybe?
Yeah, I'd say 4.
Okay.
4 because I'm going to do a long trace behind you.
Okay.
Okay, let's rock. The biggest challenge with voice control was to make the phone understand my French-Canadian accent, but after a few attempts, it always fired. The settings were the same for all pictures. I was at ISO 100 and 4 seconds of light painting for 8 seconds exposure. That was an interesting experiment, but I stick to my bigger cameras for the moment. Okay, try again.
Hi, my name is still Kim.
And you're
a dog sitter.
Okay, great.